Hey, good morning, everyone. Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, licensed public adjuster here in the great state of Florida, among other states. Hope everyone's week is progressing well. This morning is Q&A time. Most popular question I've gotten over the last several months: I'm getting insurance proceeds from my claim. Do I have to do the repairs? I've had people flat out ask me, hey, I've got some credit cards that I need to pay off. Can you get me some extra money? Look, I know the inflation is rampant. Our economy is horrible. People have lost their jobs, on and on and on and on. However, when you have an insurance claim, especially if you have a mortgage on that property, somebody's going to check up on you to make sure that those repairs are done. Now, do you have to replace everything with the same like quality if you wanted to save some money? No, but the repairs must be done. Insurance company is going to hold something called recoverable depreciation, which means that you're not going to get that money unless you can prove those repairs are going to be done. If your claim is big enough and you have a mortgage, the mortgage company is actually going to hold on to a good chunk of that money and delve it out to you as you can show that the repairs are being done. So that plan may or may not work out for you. The other thing to consider is if you ever have another claim in the future, meaning you're claiming your kitchen right now, and then 2 years from now, you have another claim and you hadn't had that work done, your new insurance company on that second claim is going to see that those cabinets weren't replaced, and they're not going to pay you for that second claim. Something to keep in mind. Keep those questions coming. I love all the calls, texts, and emails, and hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Stay well.